to Cherokee, North Carolina. Of course, it's rainy still.
Yes, it is.
So we're going to see about maybe a few things we can do to spot the rain.
There's a grand big coffee shop and food factory. Right.
That looks good.
There's Old Eagle Gifts.
We like to try different coffee shops, don't we?
Yeah, we do. We have to get over this left-hand lane because all these vehicles are sticking out in the road.
Cherokee's best. Oh, we've been over here to this place.
Right over here to the left is one of your favorite stores, that Southern Charm.
Yes, I love that place.
Tomahawk Mini Mall.
We've been in most of these at some point, I think.
Yeah.
Here's Cherokee Outlet. Oh, see that big bear and big Sasquatch. One time we were here and they had Sasquatch, Bigfoot, like standing on the street, waving at people.
Yeah. Lots of newer shops over here to the left.
Yes. Those look nice. It's always a pretty big bridge to walk across.
The visitor center and lots of other things kind of downtown, but right out here's pretty park. Good
We
place
love this park, yeah.
Good place to fish.
Mm-hmm.
This is the Oconaluftee Islands Park.
So pretty here. We had big tea here several times. It's raining today, Winston. Can't let you run around in the park today.
Now the Welcome Center is right up here on the right. Last time we were there, they had free popcorn.
That's right. We sat on the back porch and ate it.
Mm-hmm. There's the Drama Inn. Over here is the Cherokee Veterans Park on the left. It's really neat.
Yeah, that is.
They've got these bears all over the park. You can see some are real colorful, like right here.
There's the drama. Yes, I like looking at those bears.
And there's a really neat. There's the Welcome Center on the right.
Mm-hmm.
And then right there, that outdoor store has got a lot of neat things in it.
I bought a hat in there.
BC Outdoors and Tap Room.
We both bought a hat in there, remember?
I think so.
You bought a cap and I bought a hat and we put them on.
Yeah.
There's another bear.
Bunch of shops down through here.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see.
Might be some eating places down through one of these main streets. There's another coffee place. Sugar Bear's Ice Cream. Southwest store. Moccasins.
Do we need any moccasins?
No. My dad used to bring me and my sister and his two stepsons over here, and one time we got a pair of moccasins.
And somewhere right through here on the right, there used to be an Indian chief that said you could get your picture taken with him.
Mm-hmm.
I remember that when I was just little.
Yeah, and we got like a beaded necklace that had a little Indian girl on it. That's a pretty mural right there.
With the elk.
Uh-huh. I like those colors. It's real pretty.
Look at that sign. You don't see it. It's white.
Really faded, isn't it?
Yeah. Here's the Pink Motel, Karen. Look at that.
Oh yeah, well, I remember that
I love
one.
these retros.
It's like pink on the front.
Totem Pole Craft Shop. I don't even know if it's still open.
Doesn't look like it, does it? It said closed on the door.
And look, here's the Wigwam Motel. Look at this guy.
Oh yeah, look at that sign. Wigwam.
Pretty river, isn't it?
It is. Oh, there's another there.
Yeah, straight in front of us is the Cherokee Museum. What is that over there?
It's all fried up. It's a restaurant. Seafood, chicken, and more.
There's Cherokee Baptist Church in front of us.
That's a pretty building.
Yeah, it is. This part right here has been here a long time. The steeple over here to the right has been added on.
Yeah, looks like different. That's brick over there, and this is stone.
Yeah. Well, we're gonna go back up here and let you go in one of your favorite stores, okay?
Southern Charm.
Yeah.
That sounds good to me.
We gotta find a place for Winston to go potty here. First, I think this right here is gonna be as good as we can get. There's a lot of newer shops through here. Say newer. Get the front porch.
Bakery and deli.
There it is. See if we can find a place to park here. Here's a dancing bear.
We've been in there.
Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna go in here, go to one of Karen's favorite shops, and then here you go. Okay, we put you in park. Then we're going to back toward Waynesville, and we're gonna eat lunch at Maggie's Galley Seafood that somebody recommended. One of y'all recommended to us.
Yeah. I'm excited to try that,
Yeah.
aren't we?
We'll take you here and show you around just a little bit. You got him?
Yes.
Alright. Whew, you know, the rain. Look up there in those mountains at the fog. You see it?
Yeah.
Look at that thing. You can about walk under it, can't you?
Yeah, you can.
Southern Charm. Yeah.
No, is it?
Yeah.
I think I got a pair of shoes in here before.
Okay.
And some clothes.
Cute little t-shirts, don't they? Look at that.
Yeah.
The mountains are calling. Oh, that is, isn't it?
See what it is.
Oh, those overalls. You've been looking for some of those. Look at all the clothes in here, folks. You can see why she loves it. Got hats, too.
That's what I was talking about. I like this material.
You can hear it, all the boots. Crazy. More of these overalls, more boots and white stuff for the bride. Shoes. Here's the men's area. Lots of stuff with Southern Charms. Look at all the hats over there. It's amazing how many hats they got. Yeah, they got the hammer down stuff and Southern Charm. Must be their two logos, you know?
Yeah. And drop, yeah, then underneath it says drop the hammer.
Alright, I found something. Look at this. Here's what she's getting. Alright, you ready? Let's go get something to eat. These little boots.
But $30.
How cute.
Cheaper than them little bush shoes we saw yesterday.
Oh.
You ain't no cowgirl, you're a little scared cat.
Who's sitting on that big old car?
Scared cat.
Well, we got what are that? Overalls
Yeah.
and boots.
And boots, yeah.
And I'm just hungry.
I'm hungry too.
Alright, here we go. Out of Cherokee. Hop in there, buddy. Yeah. He's like, I'm gonna take off. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Okay, so Winston about fell out. He's hanging on. Winston's going in his house till we get back. All right, everybody. Welcome to the, what did I say it was? The Captain's Galley?
Maggie's Galley.
Maggie's Galley. Yeah. It is raining here in Waynesville, North Carolina. We'll take you guys in and show you our food, tell you about our meal. Maggie's Galley Seafood Restaurant. Hey, good, how are you?
Good.
So we got here, and this place is pretty crowded.
It is.
So it means it must be good.
About a 25-minute wait, she said.
People outside waiting, inside waiting. Okay, before we forget it, Karen, someone told us about this, one of our subscribers.
Recommended we try Maggie's Galley next time we're in the Waynesville area, so here we are.
His name is Les. What was the last name?
King.
Les King. Les, thanks.
Thank you, Les, for the recommendation.
We're gonna let you know what we think. We just ordered. Karen got
I got pasta Alfredo with grilled chicken. I started to get shrimp scampi, but I wasn't sure with the description if it's the kind I like.
and I got popcorn shrimp and seasoned fries. So we also got a twice baked potato. We'll maybe share.
That we had another extra side
Yeah.
that was coming, and mine comes with salad and garlic bread.
And here's a look at the menu, and y'all let us know what you might order.
And we've asked hush puppies. They do serve hush puppies with the meal.
All right, Karen's salad is here. Fresh.
Good, nice and fresh. Good ranch.
I'm gonna try the ranch with a little cracker right here.
Good ranch in it.
Chicken, Alfredo, twice baked potato, and your popcorn shrimp.
So here's my grilled chicken Alfredo. It's good. I'm going to eat it.
I am. It's a twice baked potato. Look at that thing. And some popcorn shrimp, seasoned fries, honey mustard. We're gonna give this a shot, folks. We got so much to sample here, don't we? I'm gonna sample this twice baked potato.
Skin may not need salt. To go our flavor to it.
Yeah. Try a fry here. Hot. Good. Good.
That's real good.
I better try this before it gets gone, folks.
They gave us a spoon to roll it on.
Can't get it.
That's not enough pasta. Good.
Hush puppy. Dip it in a little honey mustard.
That looks good, is it? Let me try a bite of one with honey mustard.
Shrimp is really good. Fresh. You want some?
Not bad. Have a great day.
Thank you. Look at the pretty clouds up in those mountains. Okay, here's our take. Go ahead.
It was good. I think the twice baked potato was good. All your stuff I tried was good, and the salad was very good and fresh. Really good dressings like the Honey mustard and the ranch was really good.
Yeah, large portions of food. The food was hot, and yeah, I enjoyed
I
it.
ended up enjoying the Alfredo more than I thought I would. I asked them to bring me some more grated Parmesan, and that kind of added a little bit more kick to it that I was looking for. So it was good. I'm taking the rest of it home.
Yeah, the service was good. Everybody's friendly, and you saw the wait there, about 30 minutes to get in. So popular place
Yes.
here in Waynesville.
Y'all, thanks for coming along on our drive through Cherokee, and we went in a couple places. Yeah, my favorite, Southern Charm, and then came here to eat at Maggie's Galley. So it's been a nice day.
Had fun. Thanks again, guys.
We're gonna check on Winston.
Yeah.
Sounds like he's talking.
Okay, Winston has made a little mess in there for us, so we're gonna get that cleaned up. So thanks for watching. Until next time, we're Proudies.
Forever.
Bye-bye, everybody.
Everyone.